Hi, my name is Sophia. Welcome to my channel. Today we are making an acorn pillow and we need fabric, rotary cutter or scissors, paper pattern, heat erasable markers if you want to use them, pins, thread and a sewing machine. First we place the pattern on paper and cut. I use my rotary cutter for it. So that's the body of the acorn, and we're gonna cut the top of the acorn also in a different fabric, and I chose this very printy fabric if you want, just to give it a little bit of texture, illusion of texture. Okay, I know I'm cutting a tail right now right here, but in the end we're gonna give it up because I couldn't turn it the right side. So we're gonna cut the second piece of the fabric, two pieces of each part. Okay, so we're done with that, and now we're gonna pin the two pieces together, the body of the acorn and the top. After you mark the center, you can pin them together and sew them. And the body of the acorn will be a little shorter because it's skinnier, but in the end it will work out. Okay, so we do the same with the other side. Okay, so now from 4 pieces we have 2 pieces, and we're gonna put them right sides together and sew around, but we're gonna make sure we leave a gap for stuffing and to, of course, turn it the right side. Make sure you line them up to look good. That's where we're gonna leave the gap. Okay, so now we turn everything the right side. Stuff and sew the gap, the opening gap close, and you've got an acorn pillow. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Please subscribe to my channel and please like my video. Bye.